Okay, so there are 14 boys and 12 girls in the class. Work out the total number of ways that one boy and one girl can be chosen from the class. Okay, well there's 14 boys and 12 girls. The number of total ways you can do it is something called the product rule. Just hold the paper still. Something called the product rule. If I times those together, that will give me a total of 168. Now that is your final answer. 168. Okay, question 14. 4 minus, inside this bracket, if you turn this into a times, but you flip your fraction just like you would normally with any sort of fraction, and you divide and you turn it into a times, but you flip it, across the top I'll be left with the x plus 3 and the x minus 2, and if I factorise the bottom bit, looks like I've crossed it out, that's just a fraction line. If I factorise the bottom bit, I've got x plus 3 and x plus 2. So the x plus 3's cancel out, so I've got 4 minus, and when I've worked this out inside the brackets, it's x minus 2, x plus 2. Now if you think of that as being 4 over 1, it's the same thing. With this one I can times the top by x plus 2 and the bottom by x plus 2, and then I'm ready to put this together. Now one of the things we discussed in class is when you're taking away, just make sure that you put the second bit all in brackets. Okay, so I'm kind of going dangerously close to the answer line here. If I come over here a minute, if I expand the brackets, I've got 4x plus 8 minus x plus 2, if you're careful with it, all over x plus 2. So 4x minus x gives me 3x, plus 8 plus 2 gives me plus 10. So because I've gone near my answer line here, I'm just going to put a box around this and make it clear that this is my answer. And there you go, you've done it.